Hi students. The last class which we have discussed is regarding what call our significant figures, right? In there we have discussed two of the topic along with the significant figure, which are known as what called your precision and accuracy, isn't it? In this class I will be discussing some of the properties regarding what called your significant figures. Okay, what are the properties? That means, look, regarding property we are talking about what additions of number in which are in significant figure, their subtraction, their division and their multiplication. Okay, we are supposed to discuss all these four of the property here. Now you know what, before going to this, let's go through one of the discussion here, and the discussion says that, you know, when we are supposed to add or subtract or divide or multiply those numbers which are in the which are significant figures, okay, what we have to do is that, you know, while representing the answer, you have to represent the answer in such a form that your answer will contain the least number of significant figure as according to the question, or as according to the number of significant figure which is already in the question, which is least one. Which I mean to say is that, suppose if I am having say 24.92, what is the number of significant figure here? 4, right? Or if I am adding with say 2.4 here, right? Say 20.4 here. If I am doing this number, so look, in the first number I am having 4 significant figure and here I am having 3. Now if I add all this number, it will become what call your this, right? And here I am having how many significant figure? 4 significant figure. But what I am saying is that, as according to the question, what is the least number of significant figure here? It is 3. So what exactly we have to do is that, you know, we have to represent the number in such a way that we will have what? Least number of significant figure with respect to the question which is provided to us. That is what I am supposed to mean. That means what? Here we have 4 significant figure, so definitely this particular answer have to represent in such a way that this will contain only what? 3 number of significant figure. I think you guys have got the thing. Now if you have to make this 4 significant figure into 3, then what? Definitely we have to eliminate one of the number from here, right? We have to eliminate the number from here. And if we eliminate the number from here, then always we are eliminating the rightmost digit. Okay, after keeping the required one, we are eliminating the number which is in the rightmost digit. Got it? Now the process of eliminating the number and representing in a specific way, whichever you want to represent in either 3, 4, 5, whatever, means we can't make it larger one, we can make it least one. So this process is what we are talking about, rounding of figures. You know, this process is what we are talking about, rounding of figures. And the thing is that, you know, this rounding of figure also included some rules here. Got it? It also included some rules there. Now the rules are very basic. First of all, let's discuss these things, then we will proceed to the next point. Now what I'm saying, rules for what? Rounding of figures, right? Rules for rounding of figures. Now it's very simple, guys. You know what, we have to keep here number 5 as a basis. Clear? So the eliminating number greater than 5, less than 5, or it can be 5. So what exactly happens here? Have a look here. Consider if you're having say number which is greater than 5, say it will become what? 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Say less than 5 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And 1 is your what? 5. It may be 5 also, greater than 5, or what call your less than 5 also. Now what I'm talking about is the eliminating number. If your eliminating number is greater than 5, less than 5, or if it is 5, then what exactly we have to do here? Clear? Now when the eliminating number are what call your greater than 5, then whatever the preceding number you are having, in that last digit we are adding what? 1. If it is less than 5, we are doing nothing. Whatever the number you are having, you just represent the number. And when it is 5, two cases arises. Whatever, suppose a eliminating number is 5. So the leftmost digit of 5, if it is odd, then we are adding what? 1 to the preceding number. And if it is even, then what? Without change or without adding any number, it will remain as a same there. I hope you guys have understood this particular rule. Okay, so if you have understood this rule, then let's go through some of the examples. So you just have to remember this. Greater than 5, add 1. Less than 5 remains as same. If it is 5, odd plus 1, even, left. It is like that. Clear? So I will go through very simple examples here. Okay, say I'm talking about say addition now. Okay, in first consider I'm talking about addition. Say here I am having 32.94, or say I am having 20.5, right? So if I add these two numbers here, then what are the things I have to follow here? Now look at it. If it is 4, definitely 4 here, so it will be 3, it will be 5 here. So you have to check here. It contains 4 significant figure, here we have 2, 3. But our answer comes out as what? 4 significant figure, which is not supposed to be, right? So what you have to do? You have to represent this particular answer in what? In the form of what? Least significant figure as according to the question provided to you or the numbers provided to you. So that means what? Here it contains 4, so I have to convert it into what? 3 significant figure. That means what I am doing? I am eliminating the rightmost digit, this. So I have to eliminate 4. Now look, I have already told you, if the eliminating number is 4, then the preceding number. 4 means what? Less than 5. So you have to just write the number as it is there, and this is your answer. So you are eliminating 4 here, and rest of the number you are writing here like that. Got it? Say another example, if I provide you the same thing here, say 32.96 or say 20.4, then 3.35. Now here it contains what? 4 significant figure, it contains 3 significant figure, and your answer contain what? 4. So you have to convert it into 3 as it contain only 3 significant figure, which is the least one. If it happens, so what we will do? I have to convert it into 3. That means I have to eliminate this 6, right? That means if I have to eliminate 6, which is greater than 5, right? Greater than 5 means what? In the leftmost digit, I will add what? 1. So the answer will become what? 53.4. So this is your correct answer. Got it? So this is the rule you have to apply here, and it's very simple. Okay, whether you are multiplying, adding or subtracting, it doesn't matter. You have to do the thing. Got it, guys? So this is very simple thing. So now let's proceed to what called your subtraction of this number. So say subtraction. Clear? Now when I'm talking about subtraction, guys, it's also the same thing here. Say I'm saying say 94.96, or say I'm writing say 25.4 or something like this, and I'm subtracting this number. Clear? If I do this, so 6 will come out here, 5 here, it is right, then what? 14 means what? 9, 8 means what? 6. So this is your answer, right? Now here what I'm doing, whatever we are having, so this what? It is 4 significant figure, and in this question we're having list only 3 significant figure. So you have to convert the answer which containing what? Into that form which will contain only 3 significant figure, right? That means what? Definitely you are eliminating this 6 from here, and while eliminating 6, so which is greater than what? 5. So you are adding 1 to this. So it will answer become 69.6. So this is what you have to do, guys. Okay, I hope you guys have understood these things properly, right? So in case of multiplication also it will be the same thing, guys. Suppose if we have multiplication, okay, multiplication. So in terms of multiplication, let's have a look here. Say if I'm multiplying say 23.4 into say if I'm doing say 1.2 here, right? If you're having this, so what will we do? 23.4 multiply with 1.2, so 864,432. It will become what? 2808. So 1 2 here it will be, right? So what? 28.08 is the answer, but your question contain only two significant figures. Now what will we do, right? Now what will we do is that we will place this decimal point here. So 2.808 into what? 10 to the power 1, right? And you have to eliminate. So this, you just eliminate 2.8 into what? 10 to the power 1. I think this will be the probable answer for here. Okay, so this is what exactly we have to do, guys. Okay. So this is without converting this, you just eliminate here. So all this will eliminate. So you have to keep in decimal, right? So here we are having one digit after the decimal, so you have to put decimal here. So while putting the decimal point here, so it will become what? 2.8 into 10 to the power 1. So I hope you guys have understood these things also. In case of division also, it will, the same thing will applicable. Okay, so you try to go through all these things. So I hope you guys have understood these things, right? So this were the very simple things, and I hope you liked it. So please subscribe, share, and like the video. Thank you so much. And in our next video, we will be probably going through some of the more interesting topic, okay, and which is, I think, laws of chemical combination and all that. Okay, so thank you, take care.